Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, after update of my Windows 10, desktop is unavailable error. Click File Explorer, this PC. Click View. Check, Hidden Items. Click to open C drive. Click to open Users folder. Click to open Default folder. Copy Desktop folder. Click to open C drive. Click to open Windows folder. Click to open System 32 folder. Click to open Config folder. Click Continue. Click to open System Profile folder. Click Continue. Paste that desktop folder. Close the folder and restart your system. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.